Hello, welcome to VONNIE TALK. Today, I would like to introduce the FR-50 hydraulic pointing machine to you. So, for the customer better to learn more about our hydraulic pointing machine, I prepare some raw material for try in the hydraulic pointing machine. We prepare the material have the carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum with the different OD and the different wall thickness. Let me show you what will happen in the hydraulic pointing machine. This is our FR-50 hydraulic 4-dice pointing machine. You can see it equipped the 4-set hydraulic oil cylinder, an electric part, and the hydraulic oil station. This is the hydraulic system, including the motor-powered motor, oil pump, fan to lower down the oil temperature. You can see in my hand, I take a raw material. So I will test this material in the machine to check what will happen in the pointing machine and what will be the size after pointing. Let's check the raw material size first. The OD is 14.6.8 millimeter. The wall thickness is 1.1 millimeter. Let's check in the pointing machine what will happen. This is the pointing part. Let's check the pointing part size. The side length is 10.8 millimeter. The diagonal length is 14.3 millimeter. This is the first material. Also, I prepare another raw material size. This is the second raw material. Let's check the testing result. Before check the testing result, I will show you the raw material size. Let's check the raw material size. The OD is 26 millimeter. The wall thickness is 2 millimeter. Let's start in the hydraulic pointing machine. Let's check the pointing part diameter. The side length is 11.3 millimeter. The diagonal length is 14.5 millimeter. Also, let's check the third raw material. Let's check the raw material size. The OD is 24.8 millimeter. The wall thickness is 0.6 millimeter. Let's test in the hydraulic pointing machine. Let's check the pointing part size. The side length is 6.78 millimeter. The diagonal length is 8.6 millimeter. Okay, let's pass to the fourth raw material. This is the fourth raw material. Also, the raw material is the stainless steel. Let's check the OD. The OD is 13.7 millimeter. The wall thickness is 1.5 millimeter. Let's check testing in the hydraulic pointing machine. Let's check the pointing part length. The side length is 12 millimeter. The diagonal length is 14.7 millimeter. So it's very easy for the past the external dies of the drawing machine. Let's check the 5 raw material. This is the aluminum material. Let's check the raw material. The OD is 27.6 millimeter. The wall thickness is 4.1 millimeter. Let's check in the machine. Let's check the pointing part size. The side length is 14.1 millimeter. The diagonal length is 18.3 millimeter. Also, we check the 6 pieces. The raw material is the smaller size. I want to check if the small size can be used in the FR-50 hydraulic pointing machine. Let's check the raw material. This is the carbon steel. Let's check the raw material size. The OD is 12.8 millimeter. The wall thickness is 1 millimeter. Let's check the testing result in the hydraulic pointing machine. This is the after pointing results. Let's check the pointing part size. The side length is 6.7 millimeter. The diagonal size is around 9 millimeter. If you have the raw material need to be pointing before drawing, that you could choose the hydraulic pointing machine. Actually, for the traditional pointing machine is the rotatory pointing machine. The noise is loudly and is need to change the mode. But for our hydraulic pointing machine, there's no need to change the dies. For the FR-50 hydraulic pointing machine is the 4 dies including, and just for the raw material size from the 10 to 15 millimeter. And the wall thickness is different based on the material hardness and the OD. If you are looking for the low noisy pointing machine, then no need to change the dies. I recommend our hydraulic pointing machine to you.